viewers, welcome to EQ International Magazine, India's oldest and leading solar media. And today we have Mr. Shravan Gupta with us from Cosmic. A very warm welcome to EQ, sir.
Thank you for having me here.
Sir, can you just let us know about Cosmic, like how and when it came into the solar industry exactly?
Since 2015 we are into the market. So initially we were into EPC, then in 2020 we started our own solar manufacturing, and since then we never looked back. After passing the phase of COVID, we started doing very well, and as we have a very unique market segment, we all basically do more of OEMs. So we do for big brands, and the brands which are not into manufacturing, we get their panel manufactured at our facility. Right now started from 100 megawatt capacity, we are currently running 1.4 gigawatt, having 600 megawatt dedicated to mono-PERC technology and 800 megawatt glass to glass TOPCon technologies. Both the facilities situated in Surat, Gujarat, and it's like a wonderful journey. From last 1.5 years, the growth in the solar industry is pretty much well, as you know. So we are getting benefit of that also. And last year we were having 100 megawatt capacity. This time we are having 1.4. So 14 times growth we have achieved in last 1 year, which is a kind of remarkable and very enthusiastic and building our confidence.
That's great, sir. And if we talk about this REI 2024, if you can just share with the viewers any new launches or any projects that are in pipeline.
TOPCon we have launched actually. So before that we were having 600 megawatt mono PERC line throughout here. Now we have started our TOPCon. So we have launched the modules here. BIS and ALMM is in process, and very soon we will obtain that. Most probably by end of December we will start the delivery of TOPCon also. That is one of the new launch you can say. And this year REI, I must say that it is very good footfall here. So we are getting benefit from that. Earlier it used to be only few inquiries, couple of genuine inquiries we were getting, but this year every day we are getting 10 to 15 genuine inquiries, plus we are getting on the spot orders also. So the demand we have not expected in this year REI especially, because it is a kind of platform where we do networking and marketing, but it is turning out to be very good expo this year, and we are getting orders also.
That's great, sir. And if we talk about the business financial year, so how was it for Cosmic, and what is the approach of yours towards the solar market?
Market is growing, and it is growing very fast, and we are getting benefit out of that. If I talk about the Cosmic, as I told you, last year we were only 100 megawatt production capacity. This time we are 1400 megawatt. So 14 time growth we have already witnessed in production capacity. Our balance sheet is also growing in the similar pattern. Maybe you can say we are in few companies who are outbidding the growth rate of the industry. Maybe we are growing faster than the industry growth rate. So Cosmic is right now one of the preferred OEM partner for top brands available in India who are into manufacturing or even not manufacturing. So it's very much we are getting good orders, good appreciation from the industry, and getting chosen by many brands which we never dream of. Recently we have been to international market also. We have been to Abu Dhabi, then we have been to Germany, and recently we have participated in RE Plus California, USA. It was our first time we have participated in USA. The market is very good over there also, and they are liking very much to make in India. So from domestic to global, we are going to be there also we have pitched for OEM. So our journey is going pretty well, and I believe that we are moving ahead with better than industry growth rate.
We wish all the best and all the luck to you for your coming year. Thank you so much, sir. Thanks a lot for being with us.
Thank you, EQ.